Hello everyone, this is Shubham Patil. Today I am going to present new concept that is Sandboxie. Go to sandboxie.com website and click on the link below. It will open one page. At last, you have to accept that agreement and click on the submit button to download the software Sandboxie. It's very easy to download and install the software. I already downloaded, but again I am downloading. Click on the save button. It is not more than 6 MB. It's easy to install. Once download completed, you have to open that software or run as administrator. I'm going to take stop, minimize this. I'm refreshing my desktop. I'm deleting old software. Just double click on that software. It will open one pop-up message. Yes, click on the OK. I agree. Install. Next. Next. At last it is finished. After that it will show some Sandboxie control message and shortcut is created on the desktop. Here we can see at the Sandboxie there is default Sandboxie's run web browser. You can run any email browser, anything. Just click on that shortcut. It will open your original browser but through Sandboxie. So some messages displayed from the Sandboxie. Just close that message and your browser your browser border is a yellow. Look like it's a blinking yellow. Just search anything. I'm searching a website. I think it is working or not. Yes, it's not working. Just search anything as you wish. Again, it's displaying some messages from the Sandboxie. I'm going to Google. What should I search? Search anything as you wish. I'm searching Shubham. Okay. Because it's me. This is Shubham Patil. It's my profile. Don't worry, just search anything. I'm just for demo purpose I'm searching my profile. Again search another software engineer. Shubham Patil. Okay, I will search this. I think it is not working on the Google because it's my YouTube channel. So search YouTube directly. That is the first link is mine. Now you are in Sandboxie web browser, not your original web browser. Just close the tabs and check whatever your search history are there. Now close that and open your browser and check the history is there or not. Yeah, it's not there. So it's a simple funny browser. History is not there. You can search anything. So, thank you for watching this video.